Hi, I'm Donnie Seifer, Executive Officer for the National Automotive Service Task Force. We say NASTF. We have many resources available for educators, and I want to tell you about just a few of them. First off, you can join NASTF at no charge, and our website has got lots of information on how to access automakers' websites, training information, as well as we have the Vehicle Security Professional program that many instructors are beginning to teach their students how to use. Now, this is the program I want to talk to you specifically about because it has a few challenges in the school environment. It is intended to be used by professionals to make or program keys and immobilizer systems for vehicle owners. However, you need to have a way to teach this to students without getting sideways with all of our security functions that go along with that. So if you are an instructor and you would like to be teaching this in your shop environment, all you have to do is reach out to NASTF support. Go ahead and first join with a free account so we have all your information, and we will take you through the process of getting permissions set up in the system so that you can do these same operations in your schoolroom, and then one of our registry team will help you to understand all the little details of pulling this off. Know that we have VINs, vehicle identification numbers, with several brands that you can use repeatedly, or you can use the VINs in your environment at your shop. So we're happy to work with you. We also will have some really cool new resources coming to the table early in 2025 just for education. So be sure that you sign up for a free NASTF account at nastf.org and then reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. You can also join our education team, which is one of the preferences in your account setup. And when you do that, you'll receive any email that we put out for that specific piece of information. So thanks for your time here, and if we can be of help, again, that's nastf.org.